Hey everybody, we're back again with Shelley and my beautiful wife at Guild Mortgage. And we wanted to touch base. It's been a few weeks since we got here last time. And, we talked about kind of what y'all had to offer and different types of mortgages. So y'all do the standard mortgages, VA, FHA, what else?
USDA. Obviously, regular conventional loans. We do condos as well. Big, huge thing here in Rockport. And we do certify our condos for a year.
Okay.
So less documentation, yay. VA loans are easier than a lot of people think these days.
Okay.
People think, before there were a lot of sellers had to contribute all this money, and that's just not the case anymore. We are actually closing VA loans in the 30-day time frame. It's easy to get an appraiser, all that kind of stuff.
And that's one thing we wanted to talk about this time that we didn't bring up last time was the VA loans. And basically, the only difference nowadays between a VA and a regular loan is you have to get a VA certified inspector, correct?
Appraiser.
An appraiser.
Correct. Yes.
And as far as their regulations and requirements, there's basically no difference. Is there any other inspections or anything that is specific to a VA loan that would stop me? If I was a veteran, I'm not, but it would stop me as a veteran from not wanting to do that. Or as a realtor, is there anything that would discourage me from, if they have the ability to get a VA loan?
Right.
Is there anything that you would say one way or the other?
Not at all. The only additional inspections required are a termite inspection, a septic if it has a septic,
okay,
and a well inspection.
Okay.
And as long as those come back good, fine, and working order, then it's super easy.
And those are typically inspections we're going to recommend anyway. Absolutely, on any type of loan. So
absolutely.
if that's the only difference, then I would say, if you get an offer as a realtor for a VA loan, encourage your people to take it. It's veterans need the help with the zero down that they offer, and there's nothing really that would extend or hurt you in doing that.
Yeah.
Now, one other thing, as far as the rates and what you're seeing right now, I know we've taken probably a 0.5% or 1% rate hike in the last 60 days, 90 days.
Correct.
Yes. What do you realistically expect maybe in the next 3 to 6 months from what y'all are seeing in the market?
So actually today is a big day because today is the Fed going to make an announcement of how much they are planning on raising the rate.
Okay.
And so as soon as that comes out, of course, when the Fed raises the rate, that's across the board.
Right.
It's your credit cards, it's your cars, it's not just mortgage interest rates, but it does have an effect on it. So we'll see this afternoon what it looks like. I want to say they've been about the 0.5% mark.
Okay.
Which then of course next 3 to 6 months you'll see that increase in there.
So one thing, we were talking to our broker the other day that owns the REMAX brokerage here, and he made a really good point that, guys, even when you're thinking that, these rates are going up, I mean, we're still basically at historic low rates.
Oh, absolutely.
We've gotten kind of spoiled to the 2 and 3% range, which is great. I mean, if you didn't get one, you should have talked to her first. But they are still historically low rates, so I wouldn't get freaked out. And maybe in 3 or 4 years they come back down. You can do a refinance. I mean, y'all just. The other thing about y'all is y'all aren't shopping your loans around to people. Y'all actually in-house these loans.
Yes, that is correct.
So we're not dealing with a broker of loans. You're actually you can call her up if you've got a question specifically about something going on with your loan and get an answer, because I know.
Absolutely. And I still talk to people after the loan closes. So I'm still here. Anything about your escrow account, your payment goes up because of your taxes going up, anything like that, I am here available to talk.
Now, is it all right? You're right here in the shopping center. What's the address here?
1833 Broadway.
1833 Broadway. Basically, we're at the end of Little Bay up here by the condos. And can they just stop by and see you if they got a question? Stop by, get a card.
Absolutely.
Like I said on the last video, they're probably just giving away free money. Just ask her for a loan.
Of course,
and, y'all come back, check it out. Again, we're going to try to do this, once a month or something like that with Shelley and just kind of get an idea of what the market's doing and, you know, how it can help y'all and maybe either steer you a certain way towards a different type of loan or give you some information if you're kind of on the edge and want some, you know, some better answers from, you know, professionals that do this every day. So
just call, just talk. That's,
okay.
That's what I do best. I talk a lot. So if you want to talk, just chat. There's nothing saying you are obligated to anything. Just let me chat and let me help you.
Yeah, sure. So we're going to put the description again, like we did the last video, we'll put it up there and we'll have her tag all her friends and just look her up online and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.